you asked for more mug treats. So today we're making these Halloween-inspired mug cakes. A chocolate peanut butter cup with a gooey center, a leftover Halloween candy mug cake, and the iconic Lofthouse sugar cookie in a mug. I've also made some Starbucks fall-inspired mug cakes on Parade's channel. Link to these babies will be in the description box below. These are soft, quick, and easy to make, delicious, and the perfect late-night treat. We're gonna start with some butter, which you do want to melt in the microwave. I do not recommend using oil. If you're vegan, consider using vegan butter. Butter is just gonna give you an overall better flavor and texture. Add the sugar and some cocoa powder to make the chocolate buttercup mug cake. Combining hot butter with cocoa will bloom that cocoa, dissolve those lumps, and intensify the chocolate flavor. All three recipes can be found on my website, emmafontanella.com, and if this is your first time watching a video of mine, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. Add a pinch of salt to each mug cake. Do not skip the salt and add the remaining ingredients, so the flour, baking powder, and milk. I don't know what it is about mug cakes, but they have to be my favorite late night treats. They're straightforward, quick, and simple, and they hit home every time. A bag of store-bought cookies just doesn't give you that same satisfaction that a warm little cake does. You want to mix each batter well. This is why we use melted butter and ideally warm milk. Yes, I'm looking at you. Do not use cold milk. The batter combines much more easily when those liquids are warm. Mix until there's no more visible pockets of flour. Do not overmix, and remember to scrape the bottom with a spatula. Not only does this combine the ingredients at the bottom of your mug, but it also cleans the edges of your cup. Now, you know that Halloween candy you're probably going to have sitting around for a long time. This is a great way to add extra calories and use it up. Not only is this a fun way to use up that candy, but sometimes you may not have cocoa powder or vanilla or chocolate chips, but you may have a candy bar, and that alone gives lots of flavor to your mug cake. You don't need a lot. A little does go a long way. Mix it in. It's important you mix it in, and you're going to microwave your mug cakes anywhere between a minute and 15 seconds and a minute and 30 seconds. This will really depend on your microwave. Now, this is important. If you do choose to add some extra candy on top, you want to do this at the end. And then if you want, you can microwave it just for another 15 seconds to allow that candy to slightly melt. The reason we don't add the candy on top from the beginning is because depending on what candy you use, it may explode all over your microwave. So to avoid cleanup and messy situations, just add it at the end. Go ahead and microwave your other mug cakes. The candy one took about 1 minute and 15 seconds to fully cook through. The other ones took a minute and a half. This is just to say that every mug cake is different and every microwave is different. So check it, keep an eye on it, and just know it can take up to a minute and 30 seconds to fully cook through. Take a cookie cutter or a knife and gently cut out the center of your chocolate mug cake. We're gonna fill this with a small dollop of peanut butter. Now, you can add the peanut butter before microwaving the mug cake, but it will get lost in your batter, okay? And I personally like a creamy center. If you're like me, just add it at the end. The warm mug cake will kind of melt that peanut butter filling. It's delicious. Add some chocolate spread on top or ganache. You gotta have chocolate with a peanut butter cup. If you love chocolate peanut butter cups, you have to try this. It's salty and sweet, the best of both worlds. Top your sugar cookie with frosting. This is just milk and powdered sugar mixed together. I'm telling you, this one is so reminiscent of Lofthouse sugar cookies. If that's your jam, you will love this. All three mug cakes are incredibly delicious and soft. I know I say this in all my mug cake videos, but honey, if you've ever tried these, you will know how soft and delicious these are. Honestly, I can't choose which one's my favorite, so you'll have to try all three and report back telling me which one is your favorite. These make a quick late night treat or after school snack, so definitely give these babies a go and let me know. I rhymed. Oh, wow. That's amazing.